Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, I want to do just another quick update on gold right now, because the reason I'm looking at gold is because gold is doing something gold has done something really similar like the actual stock market is doing. And the fact is that we're looking at gold here right now, and are we getting ready for a breakout on gold? Because it'd be really interesting to see, right? Like we've had this entire bottoming pattern through here. So we just removed this here. Are we getting ready to finally break that level? It's like there's a lot of buyers coming into gold right now. As you can see, right? Like just another nice strong update. We will get some sort of a pullback here soon out of gold because that's what sort of we have had a lot of price here in one big move. It's just gone bam 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 all the way up. So we will get some sort of a sideways movement or a bit of a pullback. Maybe it's going to happen now because we are at the highs up here at resistance, and it still is struggling through here. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see a bit more of a short-term pullback on that daily chart. But that weekly chart there, guys, my goodness, maybe, just maybe, we're getting ready for that breakout, and it's looking really, really strong. Moving on to silver there. Silver's starting to pick up a little bit as well too, right? You can see through here we're getting just a very weak movement, but silver's starting to pick up just a little bit. But silver is in an overall massive downward trend, where gold's in a very nice upward trend. So it'd be really interesting to see whether silver does start to pick up and start to chase gold down or not. And as you can see through there, and as you can see that through there as well too, the weekly chart here with gold. So very nice move. But one thing you want to see here, a few things you want to point out here. Look at this here. The psychology is what? Strong buyers, weak sellers now equals probably strong buyers. And also look at this here, a 50% retracement, no more, and then a continuation. Very strong momentum in the gold market as well.